Dreading your next long-haul flight in economy? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to survive a long-haul flight. Today we'll be looking at 20 travel tips and hacks, each designed to transform your flight into a stress-free adventure. From clever packing strategies to in-flight exercises, we've thought of everything to ensure that you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Ready to turn your travel dread into excitement? Let's dive in. But first, please remember to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment about your best tips for travel. Tip number 1. Optimize your seat selection. We all have personal preferences when it comes to seating, but on a long-haul flight, an aisle seat can be a game changer. It grants you the freedom to stretch your legs without disturbing your seatmates, and makes it easier for you to get up and move around, which is essential on extended journeys. Moving on to tip number 2. Invest in noise-canceling headphones. The drone of an airplane engine can be a constant source of irritation. Noise-canceling headphones can be a true lifesaver, helping you create a personal oasis of peace and quiet amidst the hustle and bustle of the flight. Next up, tip number 3. Bring a neck pillow for comfortable rest. A good neck pillow can provide the support necessary for a comfortable nap, ensuring you wake up without a stiff neck. Trust us, your body will thank you later. On to tip number 4, wear compression socks. It might not be the most fashionable advice, but wearing compression socks can significantly improve your circulation, reducing the risk of swelling and long-term discomfort. Moving along, tip number 5, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. The air in an airplane cabin can be incredibly dry, which can lead to dehydration. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the flight to keep your body hydrated and your skin glowing. While it may mean a few more trips to the restroom, it's a small price to pay for arriving at your destination, feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Moving on to tip number 6, pack healthy snacks. It's no secret that airplane food can be hit or miss. To ensure you're fueling your body with the right nutrients, consider packing some healthy snacks. Think along the lines of protein bars, nuts, and fresh fruit. They not only keep hunger at bay, but also help maintain energy levels throughout your journey. Next up, tip number 7. Download entertainment beforehand. While most airlines provide in-flight entertainment, it's wise to come prepared with your own. Download your favorite movies, shows, or podcasts ahead of time. This way, you'll have a variety of options at your fingertips, making those long hours fly by. Number 8. It's a very good idea to stretch regularly during the flight. Sitting for extended periods can lead to stiffness and discomfort. To prevent this, incorporate some in-seat stretches into your routine. Tip number 9. Set your watch to your destination's time zone. It's never too early to start adjusting to a new time zone. As soon as you board, reset your watch to your destination's time. This simple act can help minimize jet lag and make the transition smoother upon arrival. Tip number 10. Use a sleep mask and earplugs. The cabin can be a busy place, and achieving quality rest might seem impossible. But don't fret. A sleep mask and earplugs can be your best friends. They help block out light and noise, creating a more conducive environment for sleep. With these tips, you're well on your way to a more enjoyable flight. Now on to tip number 11. Dress in layers. When you're up in the air, cabin temperatures can fluctuate, making it tricky to stay comfortable. By dressing in layers, you'll be able to quickly adjust to any changes, ensuring you remain cozy throughout the flight. Next, let's talk about satisfying those mid-flight cravings. Tip 12. Opt for dark chocolate. This healthier alternative not only satiates your sweet tooth, but also releases endorphins that can make you feel happier, making your journey more enjoyable. Moving on to tip 13. Bring a portable charger. You'll want to make sure your devices have enough power to keep you entertained, especially during those long hours. A portable charger is a worthwhile investment that'll ensure your gadgets are always ready to go. Tip 14 is to pack a lightweight blanket or shawl. Airplane blankets might not always be the warmest or cleanest, so bringing your own can be a game changer. A lightweight shawl or blanket can keep you warm without adding too much weight to your carry-on. Finally, tip 15. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. These might seem tempting, but both can dehydrate you and disrupt your sleep cycle. Opting for water or herbal teas instead can help you stay hydrated and maintain a regular sleep pattern. Remember, it's all about making smart choices to maintain your comfort throughout the flight. Finally, we're at tip number 16. Utilize travel apps for connection. Staying connected during layovers is a breeze with the right travel apps. They can help you find Wi-Fi spots, provide flight updates, and make your transit time more enjoyable. 17 is for the bookworms out there. Pack a good book or Kindle. Immersing yourself in a captivating story can make the hours fly by. Next is tip number 18. Choose the healthiest meal option. Opting for nutrient-rich meals can keep your energy levels steady and help your body cope with the stress of travel. 19 is especially important. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques. A calm mind can make a world of difference in your travel experience. And finally, tip number 20. Pack a pen for customs forms. It's a small detail, but having your own pen can save you from a last-minute scramble. And there you have it, 20 tips to ensure your long-haul flight in economy is as comfortable as possible. That wraps up our guide to surviving long flights in economy. Remember, the key is in the prep work. Optimizing your seat selection, packing smart, and keeping yourself entertained and comfortable. And let's not forget the importance of making healthy choices, whether it's hydrating or choosing the right snacks. These tips and tricks will ensure you step off the plane feeling refreshed. If you found these tips valuable, consider subscribing for more travel wisdom. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and share your favorite tips or any we may have missed in the comments below. Safe travels, and we'll see you on our next adventure.